start. You ready? Yep. First start.
It's paradise with a nasty bite out in the dead of the night. Teardrops on the floor. The pain is over. Feel the darkness take control.
What's up, guys? Back with another video. As you can see, she's about done. Everything's together. We just bled the coolant for the
reservoir down here.
For the
pump and
the
intercooler pump and reservoir.
Jesus. Couldn't think of the name.
I couldn't either. As you can see, we got the two-step routed. We got that all buttoned up. We didn't tuck it down in yet and hide the wires just because we might have them backwards.
Yeah, because with the two-step from MSD, you can fit. It's because it's good for all of the Coyotes from 2011 to 2017.
Damn mosquitoes are driving me crazy.
Yeah, 7 because 18s are direct injected, so it's all different.
Yeah.
So with the S197 versus S550, if you flip them either way, one will work for S197, the other way will work for S550. So we won't know until we try to start it. If the engine light flashes, that means we have it on backwards. That's how I did it with mine.
So there's three big things.
Once we figure that out, we'll be able to mount or tuck away those wires better.
And there's three big things we're going to be doing in this video. So the first thing is we are going to be installing the VMP booster pump. The second thing is we're going to gap and install the spark plugs.
Yep.
And then the third and final thing we're going to do is flash the bass tune from Palm Beach Dyno.
Yep.
And as you can see, it's dark outside once again. Where'd the light go? You know my classic saying.
Where did the light go?
Where's the light?
Where's the light?
So we're not going to do the first startup tonight, but after we flash that tune and get all that stuff done, it's ready to start.
Yes.
So we're going to get all that stuff done, and then we are going to do the first start tomorrow morning. It'll still be part of this video, part 4. We're just going to wait.
It'll be tomorrow for us, but
same time for you guys.
yes, about
but then we're going to be basically going, as we do the first start, we're going to do a once over of the car, make sure that the install was done correctly, make sure there's no problems or any noises or concerns, complaints.
And we'll still have to bleed the main coolant system once we start it for the first time, let it get the operating temperature, so the thermostat will open so we can get the rest of the coolant into the engine. Because right now it looks like it's at the right level, but as soon as we start it, it's going to suck more, so we'll have to put some more in there.
Yeah. So we still got a little bit to do, and then the rest of that video tomorrow, or the rest of this video I should say, is going to be buttoning up the rest of the car. Once we get the green light of everything working properly.
Good and A-OK, all the coolant's good, we got the booster pump in, everything's running properly. We'll throw the front fascia on with all the radiator cover and the splash shield on the bottom. Alright, well, we'll get started on either the spark plugs first or the booster pump.
Let's take that.
Probably the booster pump, because that's going to be a lot harder.
Yeah.
I've done spark plugs on these a million times.
Yeah.
But yeah, we'll get started on that. We'll see you when we get started with that.
Yep.
Cool. We are done. 25 with the back of a 78-year-old. I tell you what.
Boosted pump.
Boosted the pumper.
Alright guys, so we got the booster pump in as you saw. Now it's time to gap the spark plugs. So these are what we ended up going with. The NGK 6510s. Let's get them gapped.
Yee. We are done. Okay. Alright guys, we're back. As you can see, it's another day.
It's kind of,
It's
looks like it might rain at some
Yeah.
point. But it's okay, because we're
It's
not driving
okay.
the car anyway, so.
no, but we are starting it.
Yeah, today is the first start.
Yes.
So I don't know if you guys have seen one before, I'm sure you probably have, but we're gonna kind of go over the end gauge here. So they give you, I don't believe that this is the vent mount. I think you probably could mount this in the vent, but I don't really see how you would. It's probably like a suction cup mount type of thing, because it clips onto the back of here. So typically you get that. Of course you get your OBD2 port with your connector here that we're eventually gonna route through the dash. We're gonna mount this in the center hole of my dash. It's nice that they actually include this. They give you an adapter in case you don't have one. So that's actually kind of cool because I didn't really want to buy one. Thankfully I don't need one though. But then of course you have your end gauge with the little tool slash stylus here. I'm probably never going to use that.
Yeah.
It does come in handy though. So you can see the end gauge. You have the port on the front, which eventually I'm going to be using, just because I don't want to keep taking this in and out of the dash. On the back we have all the different connections. This is the holes right here where this mounts in, and then it basically sticks on there like that. So I'm assuming you probably could mount this in the dash like that, but I don't, like I said, I don't really see the point of it. But the stylus comes in handy. As you can see right down in here is the micro SD card. So when you first fire up the end gauge, you're gonna take that out and you are going to have to send your tuner your stock file. So you're gonna scroll all the way down, click read the car or whatever it is, get your stock file, send it to them, and then you're gonna take this SD card out, put it in the computer, pull off the file, save it on your computer, send it to your tuner, and then they're gonna do their thing and send you back your tune. So that's the point that we're at now. Rob from Palm Beach Dyno has already sent me my stock file, at least just to start the car up. So we are going to flash that, which will show you guys the process, and then we're gonna have to pull it back off after we data log it, send it to him, and then we'll be good to go.
So before we do that, we do need to make sure the coolant's topped off for the engine.
Yeah.
We did bleed, as you guys saw last night, all of the coolant for the supercharger.
Which took like 3 gallons.
Yes, which is ridiculous. I did not think we need all of it, but god dang.
Good thing we grabbed all 4 jugs, huh?
But
we would have had 2, we wouldn't have had enough.
we're, as you can see right now, it looks like it's at the right level, but as soon as that, like I was saying last night, as soon as the thermostat opens, it's gonna suck down some more, so we need to let it get the operating temperature first so we can actually top it off to the proper level and make sure the heat's still working and there's no air bubbles in the system. So we are going to load this tune real quick, and then I will have you guys set up on the tripod so you guys can see the first start.
And we'll have the tripod set up either up front or out back, whatever, and then we'll probably have Nick recording on the cell phone so we can have other videos, other angles. So let's flash this tune.
Yee. Any day now, Andy. Yep. Guys, as you can see, it's running. It ran, shut off.
Then it ran again.
Then it ran again. It's good to go now.
And then we had problems with the end gauge.
Yeah. So we'll worry about the data log after. We're going to get the car back together. We're about to throw the bumper on, but we're going to throw the
Spray the heat exchanger.
splash shields and stuff on there. And, the radiator cover once the bumper's on. But yeah,
We're getting somewhere.
we're getting somewhere. It's about done. We just got to throw the bumper and really the front end back together, and she'll be done. Minus the data log, right?
Yeah, data log. And then there might be like 1 or 2 other things. I think that's it.
Yep. So
Oh no, that's it, because then the other surprise comes tomorrow.
just always making more stuff. But we'll see you after the time lapse. I got the bumper.
Hi! Ow!
Sorry.
I'm getting hit with the bumper.
Sorry guys, camera died.
Camera died. So now we're getting ready here to, I'm just pulling up all the information. We're getting ready to do this data log. We're gonna have to do 2 because they need me to do more files or more PIDs than what we can actually select, just because we don't know exactly which ones he wants. So let's do it. It says we need to rev it up to 1500, hold it for 5 seconds. That's always the worst, is like holding it right on the RPM.
It's hard to keep it there.
Yeah. Come on, go back up. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. Oh, that sucks. That's so hard to do because you rev it up and then it starts to go up higher and then you let it off and it just goes. It doesn't just go down a little bit. It goes, it's like taking Viagra and then as soon as it goes, and then it goes. It's like, what the hell? Okay, so now 25. This is gonna start to get loud.
Yeah.
Put that other window down so we can hear all the boost
Oh
noises.
God. All the poppity pops.
All the beepity boppity bippity pops. Okay, now the final one, we gotta hold it up to 3,000.
Oof.
It's only 500 more than what it was. It's
I
not
know.
that loud. All right, here we go.
That has some pops to it.
That had some fun. All right, well, data log number 1 complete.
All right.
So now we're gonna go back in. We don't need to record this part because it's gonna be the same thing. We're just gonna go back in, select the PIDs that we couldn't select, and then just do it again.
Yep.
Easy enough.
Then we'll send it to.
Yep, then we'll send it to insert clip here. Rob the Tune Maker Shoemaker. And then he'll get me my other tune back, and then we can go out on the road and get some ripskis.
All right. What's up, guys? As you saw in that last clip, our camera died. We've both been dropping the ball. We've just been super excited about getting the supercharger done on Andy's car, and I completely forgot to charge the batteries. That's my fault. Oh well. But as you saw, we started recording with the camera for that data log procedure, but I forgot again. I dropped the ball again. And I forgot to record an outro for the video. As you can see, I'm editing it right now. So I'm doing this now just so it isn't just a blank screen, because I hate doing that. It's lazy. I don't really like doing it, but I do it sometimes because I'm lazy. But as you saw, the car is running now, finally. Car's all put back together, bumpers on, everything's good to go. And we got that data log done. All we have to do is send it to Palm Beach Dyno so they can send us a revision, Then we'll just kind of go back and forth until we got 100% on this tune. Make sure everything's safe and we're not going to hurt the car or anything like that. So, yeah, that's basically it for the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, thank you for staying this long into the video. If you have, because I know we put out long videos occasionally. We try not to, but sometimes there's just so much footage I don't want to get rid of. But yeah, that's basically it, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, to make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.